Welcome to innovation. This is the Sunstone Wave AC, perhaps the world's most advanced AC resistance welder. And here's why. First, Sunstone completely redesigned the transformer to 21st century specifications, supported with state-of-the-art electronic components, resulting in significantly increased energy precision and improved welding results. Second, the modern transformer is digitally controlled via a 10-inch color touchscreen display, which provides unprecedented visualization of all welding parameters as a simple waveform. As you make changes to any parameter, the waveform updates accordingly. Full digital control simplifies the task of creating a set of welding parameters that deliver the best welding results. The Wave AC is a must-have for semi-automated manufacturing environments that require continuous seam welding, foil welding, pouch cell welding, mesh or screen welding, hermetic sealing, and filter production applications. If you're producing filters, medical devices, crazy cool spacecraft, or keeping the world mobile in the automotive industry, you need the Wave AC. It's easy to learn, easy to use, and backed by Sunstone's white glove customer service team. For better welding results, visit sunstonewelders.com/waveac or call or text 801-658-0015.